Hello and welcome to Makula. Today, we're looking at how you can configure your workspace, navigate to settings, come up to general settings, and you can add a company logo, give your company a name, a description, a website, a location, and the currency you'd like your Makula account to be configured with. If you've subscribed to the customer portal on Makula, then you can scroll down and go to the branding section so that you can also set up your branding for the customer portal. Upload an image that appears as a cover image or like a header image on the portal. Set your company colors, which you can choose from, just your company colors. Set up your portal link so that you can then use this to embed it on your company website to easily redirect your users or your customers to your portal landing page here on your portal, the same way that you see it here. In addition to this, you can also set up notification settings for the entire company. For example, you come in and you want to make someone responsible for when a new type of work order is created so that that one person always receives a notification. You can go into this setting, turn it on, search for the person you want to mark as the person responsible for a certain type of work order, and then just go in, view settings, and select all those types of work orders that this new person should then be responsible for. You can do a similar thing for every time a new preventive maintenance work order is created. Since these are triggered automatically and consider 1,000 events configured for all your assets or all your machines, then you generally don't want anything to fall through the cracks. So then, as you can see, MK and Sheros are responsible or receive an email notification every time a new maintenance work order is triggered automatically. You can do the same thing for work order due date reminders so that Karen and Simon will always receive a notification when a work order due date is approaching. And here we've set up that we want these people to be reminded 7 days before a work order is actually due so that they can make preparations, send the right people out, and get the work done. That's all for this video, but if you're looking at other ways to set up your account, navigate work orders, companies, and customers, feel free to check out our other videos. Thank you.